of Cinderella's castle. Park will remain open until about 10. Best chance get on a villain.
The monorail is here. First on Mickey, and then figure hold to green. Welcome to the Magic Kingdom. As of Alright, we're walking down Main Street right now, headed somewhere. I don't really know where. But today, we need to ride Thunder Mountain Railroad because it just got refurbished or something. So that's on the to-do list today. And then I don't know what else to do. Maybe Barnstormer or something random like that. Let's go.
Right here.
Say hello to the newest cast member. I'm still earning my ears. From Raleigh. Yeah, she's earning her ears. She's getting paid by the mouse. So many details here on Main Street. We have a tree surgeon, sailmaker, gym, stereoscopic cameras. Wow. I think we're headed to the Astro Orbiter. I've never been on it before. I think I haven't been on like Haunted Mansion, Astro Orbiter, Rock and Roller Coaster. That's probably it. Oh, and Winnie the Pooh and Peter Pan. Gotta get those done Sunday, and we're checking one off today, I guess, with Astro Orbiter. Hi! My mom didn't want to Astro Orbit with us, so she's headed on the People Mover by herself. You know, which is such a good ride. I don't blame her.
I did not figure out my laser.
Are you my seatbelt?
Hands, arms,
Here's
legs
our
inside.
rocket. Ah! Wow, look at these views. Wowza.
Amongst the plants.
We're on the Astro Orbiter. Oh, it's kind of scary. It's windy up here. I better not drop you. Wow. Definitely some gum. Coming at you with a little Disney water rating. That one's pretty good, yeah. If you need some water, this water fountain here in Tomorrowland, pretty decent. It wasn't like too cold or anything, but like it tasted pretty good, right? It was pretty good. Yeah. Nice trees. I got this Thunder Mountain pin yesterday at Hollywood Studios. I was doing some trading. Apparently, Thunder Mountain has been closed all day, which, you know, that's not looking good. If we can't go on it today, we'll just have to come back and do it some other time. I was hoping to show you guys that today. Let's hope it opens. We're going on the Barnstormer. The Barnstormer is just such a good ride. You wait like maybe 15 minutes for it, and then, you know, it's basically like Tron or something. You get the same thrills. It's good, except it's kind of painful. It's like a chiropractic adjustment. Yay. Here's the view of Tron from the Barnstormer. Wow. Who needs a chiropractor when you have Barnstormer, right? Wow. This one hurts. It's gonna hurt. Me and Gaston have the same favorite food, probably. I feel like the back of the castle just looks like so much prettier than the front. I don't know, just all these windows, very cool. I can't get any.
How's the Cinderella's fountain has the best water? Why? I thought you were just drinking it.
Yeah, if you're behind the castle and you need some water, come to Cinderella's fountain. That one's actually cold, refreshing, and it has like a nice view because you're by the fountain and you're drinking water. So many good details on the ground.
Oh my gosh, why do I always...
Hopping on Pirates of the Caribbean. Let's see if we can get this person to wave. Oh, she waved! We're about to go down the drop. What should we do for our picture? I already took it. Oh well. Yo ho. That one's kind of cute. We just had a really hard trivia question. I didn't trade for the pin. A Disney sidekick that doesn't talk in the movie, but then they have their own series, and it was Tinkerbell. We're absolutely booking it right now because Big Thunder just opened. It says 25 minutes, but we'll see how that changes as we get in line. A lot of people here. We're here in line for Big Thunder. See how it goes. Got the scrim here because this is where Cars Land or Piston Peak is gonna go. Cool. Me and Thunder Mountain. There is Splash Mountain, and we're headed to Thunder Mountain. Doing some construction, going up Thunder Mountain. I'm so excited. I've probably been on this like twice. I think I went when I was really young, maybe. And then I went like a couple years ago. But they've been refurbishing it, so I haven't been on it. Oh, there's my mom. Hi, you should come. She went on it once. Yeah, now they refurbished it. I don't know exactly what they did. I think like changed the track. Maybe you'll have to look into that yourself. I think this is one of my favorite rides here at Disney World. It's just such a that gold. Wow, this ride just has such good views. There's a train down there. This is just such a good line. I don't even know. Probably one of the best at Disney. Woo! Got some construction going on. This is a good view. And we got the pin. What a trade. Down there. That's the loading area. Loading on the Thunder Mountain Railroad soon. Woo, we're about to go. Wow! ride. Wow, so good.
That was a fun game. Fun group of people on that.
Yeah, everybody was super excited. Thunder Mountain reopening. The track was super good, smooth. It's just a good ride. There's a lot of different drops and turns. I don't know how to review a ride, but it was just good.
Good vibes.
I think you definitely need to go on it next time. It was so good. You need to go on it.
Wyoming. That one looks good. These are nice. Oh, that.
Howdy.
That looks good on you, Lex.
I actually really like this hat. I feel like I could go with this. I'm sandwiching. Got the brown and the brown. Smells really good, that hat. I tried these like train conductor kind of hats on. Or not train conductor, when I was in Sophia here. I love America. She loves America. This is the Hall of Presidents, but I don't think we're gonna actually do this. So. Oh, bye!
These Thousand Town friends are coming back for the celebration.
Celebration? Oh, Mickey!
Friends from near and far.
Everything is into every spring and life falls apart.
It's just so funny walking around Disney World because whenever I see somebody like holding a camera videoing themselves, I'm like, wait, I've literally seen that person on YouTube before, but we haven't seen Tim Tracker yet, so we're still waiting for him. See you real soon. We're back on the monorail. Speed limit up here on the monorail.
We are now entering Disney's Contemporary Resort, a bustling metropolis of innovative design and incomparable style.